communication, dedication. Maybe it's not love anyway. And after all we've been through, all I wanna say to you is, baby, I want you. Words in the way and my feelings are all crinkled up. Need you so much, really love you. Want you so much, really love you. Only want you. No other time is better. No other reason to get you. Make my dreams come true and take my hand. When I'm feeling lonely, without my one and only, all I have to do is think of you. But I'm here now and you're there now, honey. No one knows what to say. Communication, dedication, maybe it's not love anyway. And after all we've been through, all I wanna say to you is, baby, I want you. Who's in the way of my feelings, they're all crinkled up. Want you so much, really love you. Need you so much, really love you. Only want you. But I'm here now and you're there now, honey. No one knows what to say. Communication, dedication, maybe it's not love anyway. But after all we've been through, all I wanna say to you, I want you. Words get in the way and my feelings are all crinkled up. Want you so much, really love you. Need you so much, really love you. Only want you. Keep in touch with me, you see, you'll always be a part of me. You're my best friend till the bitter end. On and through the years and all the pain and bitter tears, you stood by me. Well, I disagree. And in the end, my friend, on me you can depend. And when your heart is broke, I'll be there. Wrote my name broken now. You know I won't cry. You know I won't try. Shed a tear, always there, never fear. Wrote my name through the mud, took it all of my blood. Like a best friend could, treat me bad when I'm sad, and it makes me so mad. Like a best friend should, wrote my name through the mud, took it all of my blood. Like a best friend could, treat me bad when I'm sad, and it makes me so glad. Like a best friend should. Underneath that Chinese heaven tree, and you can dance with me in the shallow end. Meet me at the Union Pool. Meet me where the punks they lock their bikes.